All right, let's dive right into it. The world's richest people. Who are they? What do they do, and just how much money are we talking about? Trust me, you won't believe who's holding down that fifth spot. But before we get started, if you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and hit that like. Kicking off at number 5, we have Larry Page, co-founder of Google. $171 billion. His fortune is powered by the engine that changed the way we find information online. Imagine inventing something everyone uses daily. Yeah, that's Larry Page for you. Moving up to number 4, it's Jeff Bezos, the man who brought you Amazon. $243.1 billion. He started with an online bookstore, then turned it into a global shopping empire. He's changed the way the world shops and how we get our packages so fast. At number 3, we find Mark Zuckerberg. You probably use his invention every day. Yep, Facebook. $264.6 billion. He's connecting friends, he's connecting bank accounts. Talk about liking your own post. Second place goes to Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle. $295.7 billion. He made his billions by helping businesses manage data. Now he's living the billionaire dream with yachts, islands, and a passion for tech that never stops. And finally, holding on to the number 1 spot, Elon Musk, $401 billion. Rockets, electric cars, internet satellites, brain chips. Elon's got his hands in everything futuristic. So which billionaire surprised you the most? Drop your guesses or reactions in the comments. And don't forget, like and subscribe for more mind-blowing lists and fun facts. See you in the next video.